Hello! Today we're going to be planting cuttings of the dragon fruit. That's a dragon fruit, it's a cactus actually, and it's very easy to grow and very easy to do the cuttings. So cuttings you can get either from the neighbor or whoever you know that have already grown dragon fruit, or you can just order online, and they're perfectly fine. And then I have few that my friend sent me by mail, and they do fine coming by mail. They do fine. It takes longer times, and she sent it to me in summer. It was summertime. It took like, I don't know, the package got lost, and by the time it got to me, it was very, very dry, so I thought it wasn't even alive. But I gave it a shot anyways and planted it, and it did grow. It became a very beautiful plant. So the way you plant it, this is American Beauty. The way you plant it, you can just stick it into the ground that way. Or some people like to do it, they like to cut over here. Like this, and then twist this thing, cut it, and one more. Technically do it like that. So that's the way you wanna. That's how it's gonna look, and then you can plant it. Also, even if you get here, one of my pieces got damaged, and I don't want it to be on my plant anymore. So I'm just gonna cut it, cut the damaged part, all the damaged pieces, and plant it. Give it a shot anyways. I tried that before. Works very perfect and good, and it's gonna give you from the top new growth. As long as it has like small buds over here, it will give you a new growth. It's a very small piece, but it's worth a shot, worth to give it a shot to see how it's gonna do. And just stick it in the soil, and that's it. And this one's I already planted it. That one was planted about a month ago, and this one was planted about 3 months ago. So this one has a new growth on it, and this one has roots on it already. So I'm just gonna take them out and show it to you. Here. You can see that was a damaged piece. I had a damaged cactus, and just didn't want to throw it away. I still can use it, and it has plenty of roots in it. This is all here. This is all the root system, and that's how it was planted, just like that. Just put it in the ground, and here the end, and that's how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful roots, and it's very healthy, very nice. Okay, this one, on the other hand, was damaged and planted it, and it still has beautiful, nice roots here. I don't want to damage all the roots, but that's the root system over here. Here are the roots. It's very easy to grow, and here's the new growth. Looks very healthy. And then the damaged part, you can just plant it even deeper. When I'm going to be replanting it into a new pot or ground, I'll just make sure that that goes under the ground, and that's it. I'm not gonna see that part over here, the damaged part. And this piece looks very healthy and nice. There you go. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and come back and see my other videos. Thank you. Happy growing.